the tail of two shirts. Now I couldn't show them to you straight off the top because that would spoil the tail end of it. We found some yellow, not much, but we found some. A little more on the back, but we found some. What's interesting is this is a cotton overlace with a cotton piece underneath it. And there's actually more yellow on the shirt underneath than there is on the overlace, which is backwards. But that is probably me over eyesigning it, which somebody recommended or suggested or thought I might think about. But if I can show you, look, see how there's a lot more on the shirt underneath than there is on the shirt on top. So it's going to be kind of cool when it's all washed and ironed out. I mean, yeah, washed and ironed out. It's been rinsed out several times. It'd been cool if all this white would have been yellow, but it's still kind of cool. And it has these little anchor buttons on it. I got these. And just to show you that sometimes you get a little too fast on what you're doing there. I don't know if y'all notice what I see, but can't get it any larger, but I have another picture of it. Hold on. That would be the button that comes to replace it in case you happen to lose one. Which I thought I removed all those, but apparently not. And you know what? That's just proof that it's a brand new shirt. And your earkeeping comes complete with a replacement button. Now this one, we found yellow. It was still trying to be a little elusive, but we found it. And I did remove the button off of this one, so well, you know, hey, 2 points for trying. Anyway, this one right here is going to be pretty cool, I think. They even have these cute little sailor button things on them. They're kind of cool. And here's the back of that first one, like I told you. And it came out pretty good. I can't complain about that. I mean, I would like more yellow, but the fact that we're getting yellow is hooray, 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 hooray. This is the back of the second one, and look at all that lovely yellow. Don't ask me where the blue went. We won't say nothing about that. It's stuck. Okay, no, it's not stuck. Got a little blue. Don't ask me where the rest of it went. That's just cool. Better picture of the first one, but that's just cool. This is still the first one right here, but that's just cool. Here's a better picture of the second one. Look at that. That's kind of cool. Kind of cool. I do have a little blue, so it matches the front, sort of. Hey, I do like the way that red looks on that yellow when it comes out. It just goes pop. The tail of two shirts. 1, 2. Thanks for watching my video. Y'all have a wonderful day. I'm kind of tickled. We found yellow. Look, the elusive yellow. We're going to find it the rest of the way, but we found it. It showed up. I'm going to be a little bit stubborn and let these get a little dry before I even wash them. I just want to give that lots of time. Down underneath the paint. Getting hot. So, should be good. Should be. So, that would be the tail of two shirts. And as you can see, we found yellow. We got to have the happy dance. Happy dance, happy dance, happy dance. Sorry, no one here to video me watching the happy dance. You just have to imagine a crazy woman at 54 with red hair going bouncing back and forth. Anyway, check out my page on Facebook, Carlos Crafts. Like what you see, give me a thumbs up. Did Jorian painting If you want to see something recent painting wise, look for the Evergreen Eagle, and it's pretty good. If I do say so myself. It took me a minute or two to get that finished because I had to get it to a stopping point because real life came in, but then we got it finished and my OCD is good and check. Have a great day. Thanks again.